Hi. And welcome to a beautiful equation which unfortunately isn't correct. 102 plus 100 is of course 202 and not actually 200. But in a quite amazing way, you can move just one digit, and just like that, the equation is correct again. Pause the video for a moment and see if you can figure it out for yourself. And if not, don't worry. I'll give you 2 tips in a moment, and I think you'll get it then. Tip number 1, and this one already gives a lot away. A digit from the 102 has to be moved. And to be more precise, it's the 2. Because if you take this 2, maybe make it a little smaller and move it up into the exponent, well then you have 10 squared, which is 100, plus another 100, and that actually gives you the 200, just as we wanted. So actually, once you saw the trick with the exponents, it wasn't that difficult at all. And now that you've got the hang of it, the best way to keep practicing is to try it again right away with this equation. We need a very similar trick for it, and I bet now that you've seen this one, you'll easily figure that one out on your own. Have lots of fun with it and see you soon. Bye!